Hey guys, Aaron here with another quick tip. As you can tell from the name, this will relate to moving and copying files, but more than just from project to project. We'll also look at moving entire projects between hubs. So let's begin by looking at what you can do from the data panel. This project-to-project file was accidentally saved in my testing area project, but I really want it in the one above. If I select Move from the menu, you'll notice it's only allowing me to move to other folders within the testing area project. So if I want to relocate this to another project, I can select to copy it instead. When I do so, my full projects list is available on the left, and I can place it where I want. When it's done, I'll be notified and I can proceed to move it wherever I wish within the same project as noted before. But what about this file, which includes a component that is externally referenced? Because of that link and the possibility of losing the reference, when I select to copy it, I can't even copy it to another project. So we'll do this with a different approach. We'll access the web version of the data by clicking the project name at the top of the data panel and make a couple quick adjustments to find the file of interest. Then I'll use the drop-down to select to export the archive, which will include all the files, externally referenced included. In a short time, I'll get a link emailed to me to download an archive. I'll upload the archive, which has the F3Z file extension through the Fusion 360 data panel, and although it appeared as a single file, the F3Z contained both the main design and the reference design. Back in Fusion, let's talk about one more thing: moving entire projects from hub to hub. Hub, in this context, refers to where your data is stored in under what account. Under my username, you can see I have a personal Fusion 360 account as well as other team hubs. So to move this project from my personal to a team hub, I'll find it in my personal account, use the drop-down to the far right, and select Transfer. From there, it'll give me a list of different hubs I've gained access to, from which I can select the location I want to move it to. This will remove it from my personal hub and place it into my team hub. Anyway, I'll switch hubs to verify that the move happened, then wrap up this quick tip by thanking Jamie from our street team for the great idea. Have a great week, everyone. Cheers.